Tesla HoodBonnets issues. A frustrating experience. Owning a Tesla is an exciting experience, but sometimes, even the most advanced cars come with unexpected issues. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most frustrating problems some Tesla owners face: hood or bonnet issues. From difficulty opening and closing to unexpected malfunctions, these problems can be annoying and, at times, even unsafe. James, a proud owner of a Tesla Model 3, decides to check his front trunk before heading out for a road trip. He walks up to his car, pulls out his phone, and taps the "Open Frunk" button on the Tesla app. Nothing happens. Confused, he tries again. Still, the hood doesn't budge. He walks up to the car and tries to open it manually, but the latch seems stuck. "Oh great, now what?" he mutters. He wonders if it's a software glitch, a mechanical issue, or something worse. James takes a deep breath and decides to troubleshoot. He resets the car's software by holding down the two scroll buttons on the steering wheel. After the system reboots, he tries again. Still nothing. He checks the Tesla forums for answers. Some users suggest trying the emergency release latch inside the frunk, but that only works if the hood is already slightly open, which his isn't. Frustrated, James realizes he might need professional help. Meanwhile, Lisa, another Tesla owner, is dealing with a different issue. She opens her hood to load some groceries into the frunk. After placing her bags inside, she gently pushes the hood down, expecting it to latch. Instead, the hood bounces back up. She tries pressing it down firmly, still no luck. Lisa knows Tesla hoods aren't supposed to be slammed shut like traditional cars, but no matter how carefully she presses, it just won't lock into place. Am I doing something wrong? She wonders. Lisa checks the latch area for any debris, nothing. She wipes the edges clean and tries again. The hood still refuses to lock. She searches online and finds that some Tesla owners experience misaligned latches. Some recommend applying light pressure at the center of the hood while closing. Lisa gives it a try. This time, the hood clicks into place. Finally, she sighs in relief. On the other side of town, Mark, a Tesla Model Y owner, is driving on the highway when something terrifying happens. His hood suddenly pops open. Luckily, the safety latch prevents it from flying up completely, but it's still partially open, blocking part of his view. Panicked, Mark carefully slows down and pulls over to the side of the road. Heart racing, he steps out to inspect the damage. The hood is not fully detached, but it's loose enough to be concerning. "That could have been really bad," he mutters. After a few deep breaths, Mark checks the latch mechanism. It seems like the hood wasn't fully locked when he last closed it. Tesla hoods require a gentle press in the center rather than on the sides. Applying pressure unevenly can cause an improper latch, leading to this kind of incident. Mark realizes that he might have closed the hood too quickly without making sure it was securely latched. He double-checks the mechanism and ensures it clicks properly before continuing his journey, this time with extra caution. After multiple failed attempts to fix his hood issue, James finally decides to take his car to a Tesla service center. A technician examines the hood latch and confirms that the locking mechanism is faulty. This happens sometimes, the technician explains. "We'll need to replace the latch assembly. It should be covered under warranty." James nods, relieved that he won't have to pay for the repairs. After about 45 minutes, the technician comes back. "All set. Try it now." James presses the "Open Frunk" button on his Tesla app. This time, the hood releases smoothly. He closes it, and it latches perfectly. "Finally, it works," he says with a smile. All three Tesla owners learned valuable lessons from their experiences. James learned that sometimes, hood latches can fail, and it's best to get them checked at a service center if troubleshooting doesn't work. Lisa learned the correct way to close the hood, applying pressure in the center rather than on the sides. Mark learned the importance of double-checking that the hood is securely latched before driving. While Tesla's innovative design makes the car sleek and futuristic, even small issues like hood malfunctions can cause unnecessary stress. Tesla cars are packed with cutting-edge technology, but like any vehicle, they aren't free from mechanical issues. Hood and bonnet problems, whether they're related to latches, alignment, or unexpected malfunctions, can be frustrating and even dangerous. If you ever experience a Tesla hood issue, remember to check for debris or obstructions in the latch area, apply gentle, even pressure when closing the hood, ensure it's fully latched before driving, contact Tesla support or visit a service center if the problem persists. If you found this script helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Tesla-related content. Have you ever had an issue with your Tesla's hood or bonnet? Share your experience in the comments below.